Want to speak English every day? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Spoke. Let's start. I'm feeling a little tired. I think I need a cup of coffee. I'll go to the kitchen. The kitchen is clean and organized. I'll wash my hands first. Now I'm ready to make coffee. I'll take my favorite coffee mug. I'll boil some water. The water is getting hot. I'll add a spoonful of coffee. Now I'll add some sugar. I'll pour in the hot water. I'll stir it gently. The coffee smells amazing. I love the smell of fresh coffee. I'll add a little milk. Now my coffee is ready. I'll carry the mug to the living room. I'll sit comfortably on the sofa. I'll take my first sip. The coffee tastes delicious. It's warm and relaxing. I really needed this coffee. It makes me feel refreshed. My tiredness is slowly disappearing. Now I feel much better. I feel more energetic. Coffee always improves my mood. I'll finish my coffee slowly. I'm enjoying every sip. I'll look out the window. The evening looks beautiful. The weather is pleasant. The fresh air feels nice. I feel calm and peaceful. Now I've finished my coffee. I'll wash my coffee mug. I'll put it back in the cabinet. Everything is clean again. I don't feel tired anymore. I have more energy now. I think I'll go for a walk. A short walk will be refreshing. I'll change into my walking shoes. I'll lock the front door. I'll take my phone with me. The weather is perfect for a walk. I'm ready to go outside. Let's enjoy a peaceful evening walk. I can't wait to breathe some fresh air. I'll start my evening walk. The weather is wonderful. The cool breeze feels refreshing. The sky looks beautiful. The sun is setting slowly. The streets are calm and peaceful. I enjoy walking after work. Walking helps me stay healthy. I feel full of energy now. The coffee really helps me. I'll walk to the nearby park. There are many trees here. The flowers look beautiful. I can hear the birds singing. The fresh air feels amazing. Many people are walking. Some people are jogging. Some children are playing happily. Everyone seems relaxed. I love this peaceful atmosphere. I'll walk slowly. I'm enjoying every moment. I can feel the cool breeze. The sunset is breathtaking. I'll take a few deep breaths. It makes me feel relaxed. Walking reduces my stress. I feel happy and peaceful. I'll smile at a passerby. They smile back at me. People are enjoying their evening. Some families are taking a walk together. Some friends are chatting. The park is clean and beautiful. The lights are turning on. The evening looks magical. I'll sit on a bench for a while. I'll enjoy the beautiful view. Everything feels calm. This is my favorite time of the day. Now it's getting a little dark. It's time to go home. I'll leave the park. I'll walk back slowly. The streets are still peaceful. I finally arrived home. I'm back home. I feel fresh. I feel relaxed. I'll wash my hands. Now I'll have a snack. I'll make some tea. The tea smells nice. I'll make a sandwich. The sandwich looks tasty. I'll enjoy my snack. The snack is delicious. Great job. You finished today's lesson? I hope you learned something new. Practice these sentences every day. Speak English with confidence. Keep learning. Keep improving. Don't give up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily Spoken English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.